What if the future of AI cloud altered the very fabric of our communication? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just a concept but a reality that transforms how we create content. This is not distant future, it's happening now. AI models like OpenAI GPT-4 are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, and now Meta is entering the fray, developing a new model that cloud compete with GPT-4 on a grand scale. The implications are profound as we step into these two giants, Meta and OpenAI, are racing to shape the future of AI. Meta and OpenAI, two tech titans, each with their distinct AI models. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Meta, the tech giant formerly known as Facebook, is reportedly developing a new AI model that's now powerful as OpenAI GPT-4. Yes, you heard that thing. Meta is stepping into the ring to compare with one of the most advanced language models in the tech world. The new first, which is expected to be released next year, primarily target business for production and analysis. This could potentially revolutionize the way businesses generate, produce reports, and analyze data. Imagine having an AI that can write your business properties or analyze market trends. Sounds like something out of a science if moving, but with OpenAI, these clouds won't be our reality. On the other side of the spectrum, we have OpenAI GPT-4, a language model that has already made significant strides in the AI, that it's known for its ability to generate human link, and it's used in a variety of applications from customer service chatbots to content generation tools. But it is not just about generating text. GPT-4 can also translate languages, answer questions, and even write poetry. While both models after meaning potential, there are concerns about potential misses. What if these AI models fall into the wrong hands? What if they are used to generate harmful content or spread misinformation? These are valid concerns, and both Meta and OpenAI have acknowledged them. They are taking steps to ensure use of their AI models, such as implementing robots and guidelines for use, and investing in research to address business OpenAI. But despite these confirm, the development of these AI models is an exciting forward in the world of technology. It's not just about making life easier or more converted, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. While Meta and OpenAI may have different approaches, their shared goal is clear: to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But as these AI models evolve, a new challenge surfaces. Bias. This is not a trivial issue, but a complex and multifaceted problem that is fiercely in agreement in the fabric of AI development. A study conducted by the University of Carnegie Mellon University and Akin Institute Mixing Theo a spotlight. The researchers put 14 major AI language models through a political compass. What they found was fascinating and somewhat concerned. OpenAI Chat, GPT and GPT-4 were the most left learning and liberating. On the other hand, Meta's AI was the most right learning and othering. It was also observed that the bias were amplified when they were trained either right or left learning sources. What does this learn? It means that the AI model's responses to hate speech, misinformation, and a variety of other sensitive topics cloud to sentiment, and these this is a cause for, as it means that AI, which is often seen as a neutral and objective, can also be a vessel for bias, and this study highlights the challenges in identifying and correcting bias and AI models. These biases can arise from uncorrected and even the influence of the developers themselves. It's complex issues that tech giants like Google and media are depending. They have all expressed their communicate addressing these and adopting responsibility AI practice. OpenAI ChatGPT, for instance, has faced custom for from both ends of the political spectrum. OpenAI's Greek Birkin acknowledging and expressed a goal of creating simply Elon Musk, who co-founder of OpenAI and now runs campaigns and importance of AI models, expressing their true the bottom anise. As the race of AI spectrum, the challenge of mitigating bias becomes all more critical. So where does the future of AI stand? Well, just a journey of relentless innovation. The world of critical intelligence is constantly evolving with tech like Meta and OpenAI leading the charge. Each is in ways developing their own advanced AI models, pushing the boundaries of what's processing. Meta's upcoming model set to rival OpenAI GPT-4 is a testament to this race. Expected to be launched next year, this AI model aims to revolutionize text production and analysis for businesses. With the potential of being open source, it could demonetize AI, allowing developers worldwide to and benefit. On the other hand, OpenAI's Chat, GPT and GPT-4 continue to impress with their capabilities. However, they also serve as a reminder of the challenge we face, such as the issues of bias, as seen from the study involving political compass. AI models can reflect and even amplify the biases present in their training. That highlights the critical need for rigorous and unbiased data creation. In the end, these are not just about creating a smarter chat or more efficient business tools. They are about shaping a future where AI is intelligent our daily lives, aiding us in ways we can't even imagine yet. As we watch this exciting phase unfold, one thing is certain: the future is AI. Then it's closer than we think.